Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change character in Subway Surfers. If you are looking for a way to change your character in Subway Surfers, whether you are a beginner or just unlocked a new character, this quick guide will help you out. First of all, launch Open Subway Surfers on your device, and on the main home screen, look for the Me button at the bottom of the screen and tap on it. You will then be able to see the Characters tab at the bottom left. Inside it, you will see a couple of characters you can choose from. Scroll through the list of characters. If the character is already unlocked, simply tap on them to select. If the character is locked, you will need to unlock them using coins or keys or event tokens. Select the character and make sure you have enough keys or coins for your character change. And once you have enough, simply go ahead and tap on the green button where it shows you the key or the coin price. Simply tap on the green button to unlock the character, and once you have enough coins or keys, you will be able to select the character as your active surfer. Once you do that, you can easily change your character in Subway Surfers and start running and enjoy your customized gameplay. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.